All right, everybody. It's Bigfoot Wife here for Bigfoot videos. So today we're gonna cut some beam just to take them down.
Ceiling straps?
The ceiling straps?
Yeah.
That's what we're cutting. And I'm gonna hold wood. That's it. Wait, you're gonna cut over there first? Cut there and then I'll hold that spot. It'll be easier for me to get up there than on the scaffolding.
What it looked like before. Old ceiling strap in there up underneath the floor joist. So now that's what it looks like now. That's the upper story wall studs coming down into the top plate. So I'm going to end up putting an I-beam right in this general area. Right there. And then I need to take these nails out of the middle floor joist. Don't stab myself in the head. So an I-beam will go right there. I-beam will go right there. It'll be padded out in the middle of the I-beam through the void with through bolts and 2x6s or 2x4s really. I'll probably have to mill them down a little bit. Run them through the table saw. And then I'm going to have to notch down into this top plate about 1/8 of an inch so that my I-beam will fit and it'll be directly flush to the underside of that floor joist right there. Top plate, floor joist. I need the top of the I-beam to be touching the bottom of those floor joists all the way across. So after I get these nails out of the way in the middle right here, that were the only nails in a ceiling strap. I'll be able to build a wall that's slightly taller than the height of the floor joist here at the outside walls. That way when I'm putting my I-beam in, it won't, those center floor joists, they're sagging down right now about 1/4 inch. So when I get done building the wall, it'll actually jack the floor up about 3/8 of an inch. And then that I-beam, it'll be totally unobstructed. Oh, I can go ahead and cut this electrical box out of the way if I want to as well. So I may video that, I may not. But that's pretty much a what I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna do it, what I've done so far type video. So
Hope y'all enjoyed today's video.
Like,
Share, and subscribe. Comment questions down below.
I can check out some of the other content.
Yeah, go check out some of the other content.